Aastha and you're watching my channel, Art with Aastha.
Hi friends, my name is Kashish and you're watching my channel, Kashish Desai.
So in today's video, we're back again together.
And we are going to make the 1-minute Oreo cake.
So keep on watching and subscribe our channel.
So let's start.
Oreo,
Milk
a mixing bowl.
and a fork.
So now we'll put 5 Oreos into the mixing bowl.
And now pour some milk into the mixing bowl.
Pour the milk approximately so that the Oreos can be submerged into milk.
Now smash the Oreos and make it into a thick paste.
Mix it well so that there are no lumps.
Now pour it into a microwave-safe bowl.
Tap it so that the air bubbles can now come out.
Now put it in the microwave for 30 seconds.
Yay!
Our Oreo cake is ready.
And it's delicious too.